Here's a certified 2022 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. It demonstrates aptitude at any altitude and refinement in any situation. Rediscover the lost art of superior heavy-duty conveyance from its handcrafted cabin. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Twin-turbo V8 engine, adaptive suspension, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice-activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and heated leather bucket seats. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,